Welcome to this episode of Speak PR. This is the podcast for business owners amongst us that have got value to unlock in their businesses, but just want to know how to communicate that more efficiently and more effectively. And there really isn't a better person who could share that with us than Scott Brinker, who joins us today from just outside Boston. Scott, welcome to Speak PR.
Hi, Jim. Great to be here with you.
Scott, tell us a little bit about you.
So, what I do, I am the VP of Platform Ecosystem at a marketing technology company called HubSpot. And so I help HubSpot integrate with so many other different marketing and sales technologies out there. And then I also write a blog, chiefmartech.com, which I've been doing for about 12 years here now. Really diving into the dynamics of, technology in the marketing world. And then as part of that, we also run a conference, not